Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift from me.
Just kidding. I mean, I'm not kidding. I literally just did that. But I'm so... A car just drove by and a plane's flying by. I wonder if you guys can hear that. Anyways, I am so excited. My sister's coming up tonight. She's going to stay the night here. And my house is a mess. And she's not going to want to walk into a messy house. Because it will give her flashbacks to when she was younger and she would always have to help me clean my messy house. So I gotta get it clean and ready for her. And that's why I have so much motivation and energy right now, is because I'm excited. So I thought, let's turn on the camera, let's film a clean with me, fall clean with me. So let's jump in. Quick scan of the living room. That couch cover is full of fur. My dogs are barking at the back door right now. I got an Amazon package. Let's look at that. I know that it's still fall, but I got this Christmas essential oil kit. So I got this one because I feel like cinnamon could be fall. So I'm gonna use the cinnamon and then I'll have a bunch for Christmas. Mason's going on a trip, so that's all his luggage that he needs to finish packing up when he gets home tonight. And then I'll take him to the airport. So we had a dinner for his birthday, and that's why the table is so long and big. So I need to shrink that up because it takes up a lot of space. And then my kitchen. Yeah, I cooked last night, and then I started cleaning some things out of the fridge this morning, and I just need to finish it. Oh, wow, look at that trash can that I left out. Yeah, so anyways, you can see my house is not ready for a guest.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third.
You know, I cooked chicken on this pan last night, or the night before I filmed, and I did not do myself any favors by leaving it overnight before I washed it. I could not get that stuff off with the sponge, so I grabbed my handy dandy scraper and it just scraped it right off. I love that scraper. My mother got it for me as a stocking stuffer one year, and I use it like on my stove a lot too. Whenever there's like burnt in residue, I just scrape that stuff right off. Okay, but I did have to take a break because I was dying of thirst. I love to fill up my Awala with electrolytes every day. I actually typically refill it like twice with electrolytes. And then if I'm doing really good that day, I'll have a third one with just water. I love electrolytes. That's all I'm going to say. I've talked about them before. And then look at my cute little straw topper. It's a pink pumpkin. Okay, so I'm going to move my kitchen TV, which is a new investment, and I love it. I usually just put on like an ambiance, or if I'm watching something in the living room, then I'll sync it up with that TV so I can watch it if I have to do work in the kitchen.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way, my way. Find my way, my way. Cause I found my way. My way, my way. Find my way, my way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way, my way. Find my way, my way. Cause I found my way. My way, my way. Find my way, my way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would've met tonight. Sure, I've had lovers in my past, won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor. They can't compare, no one could ever do, nobody's close to you, yeah. One night's not fair, what can I say to make you never leave this room? I need you to stay a little longer.
Okay, my sister is gonna be here in like 2 hours, and I've only gotten the kitchen clean, so I need to hustle. Starting with this table, I need to condense it down. For Mason's stuff, I'm just gonna set it aside and then put it back when the table is shrunk down, because like I said, he's leaving tonight when he gets home, so he needs it all out.
I need you to stick around for later. How about forever? Yeah. You feel so right now. It's been a lifetime. I need you to stay longer. How about forever? Yeah. Wanna get to know all your friends, bet I'll be loving them. I'll try to make them love me back. It
love my transformer table. That's the brand that it's called, because it can get really big, but it can also get really small. So I'm showing you right now the underneath of the table, how you unclip the leaves that you want to take out. And then you can just take them out and push the table together and then clip it back up. So it's super handy when you're hosting, and for our house, which is, pretty small. We want a small table when it's just us two, but we want it to be big when we have guests. So this fit the bill. So one thing that I've been thinking about a lot this week is about creating happy moments, right? Your life is in your control, and it's up to you to create an environment, to create those moments where you can be happy and to let yourself be happy, right? Sometimes, it's as little as just shifting your narrative in your head and saying, it's okay if I feel silly, if I look a little silly. I want to be happy, and this is what makes me happy. So I thought I would share it with you guys because it's really been resonating with me this week, and I've been really trying to create happy moments, especially in things like doing household chores. I really enjoy decorating and making it feel cute to me, putting on a nice scent. Like, to me, that's creating a happy moment. I would love to hear from you. What is a happy moment that you have created for yourself recently, or maybe that you want to create for yourself in the future? Leave that in the comments, and I think it will help inspire other people too to maybe create a happy moment.
Written down the words to say, it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, it's when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh.
stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back.
I started to run out of time before my sister got here, so I went and I took a shower. I got changed while the couch cover and the tablecloths finished up in the wash. So I got those put on, and I was done with my cleaning sesh and ready for my guest. Speaking of cleaning sesh, I hope you were able to find some motivation today watching my clean with me. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And stay tuned because I'm going to have some Christmas content coming soon. I can't wait. Have a magical day, and don't forget to create those happy moments.
The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me. Maybe we're meant to be a perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending.